Discover the charm of this exquisite English-style three-level home, designed for comfort and functionality. Nestled on a sloping lot, every level boasts breathtaking views of the lush mountainside. Enter the main floor through a spacious double garage and into a breezy front veranda and elegant foyer. This level features 4 generous bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, offering ample space for family living. The floor below is a haven for entertainment and relaxation, with an expansive living room, dining area complemented by a pass-through window to the large, well-appointed kitchen, plus a games room. A sizable bedroom and full bathroom complete this level. The basement level provides convenience and versatility, featuring a laundry area, abundant storage, and a full bathroom, ideal for staff accommodation or rental space. Outside, the backyard is a fruit lover's paradise, well-fruited, and even a thriving grapevine. For pet lovers, a doghouse and fence run ensure your furry friends have their own space. The unique design facilitates for self-contained multi-family living, with each floor having separate entrance. Let's take a look inside. Price for this one is JMD $50 million. If you want to view this property, the link is in the description for the agent. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more video like this. Thank you